welcome back, everybody. Hope everyone had a wonderful Father's Day, spending some time with your family. We did. We had a great time. Tabitha came up with some very thoughtful gifts. Blakely and the kids, even Trista got out, rode on some four-wheelers. We had a great time. Now we're back to the action. And today, unfortunately, we are ridiculously short-handed. When I say short-handed, we have about 1/4 of normal staff, but we're getting it done. You know what you got to do when you have that problem? You still got to come to work and get it done. Everybody's got to work a little harder and work as a team, which we do a good job of always. Gonna do some walk around and some interior, exterior stuff about this Excursion. Everybody always loves the 6-door trucks. And I don't know why the videos always go so much more viral, but I believe it's just because of the combination of curiosity and rareness. Because 6-door trucks, whether it be the trucks or the SUVs, are some of the most uncommon built vehicles they are, and rarest as far as overall numbers. You don't see them very often, but this one is pretty darn practical. Now, we also had a 6-door F650 XUV Excursion that went out over the weekend, and that was a pretty amazing one too, just like the one Shaquille O'Neal has. We've also got some talks about the really fun cruise that took place. And we didn't talk about it too much on the channel because I know you guys are watching it from all over the world. This was more of a little local thing, but we want to expand it coming up. This time we want to get our feet wet. We wanted to see how things were going to go. That car and that on the top actually went down the road. A lot of cool vehicles showed up, a lot of great customers, a lot of great people from the community. And it turned out wonderful. So now I think we can expand it and get a little bigger. We also got in this limousine shuttle vehicle, which will be getting reconditioned. We get the AC finished up on the big crew cab. Now it's going to the electronics shop next. Get some things done. Corvette got cleaned up. Camaro got cleaned up. That's what we get driven some today and get some fresh fuel in it. And we've even got a few of the rollbacks moving around. Mike's got a few deals pending on some things. So, let's get in it. It's been the most ideal day so far. It's a Monday and short-handed, but getting some pictures for a customer on this. AJ got it checked in, but it was late Friday and forgot the pictures under the hood. So we're getting those done right now. Under the hood and undercarriage. Obviously, great things to ask for. You guys are looking at a vehicle anywhere in the country. Don't think just because you're calling California that maybe the vehicle always lived in California. So obviously we're in an area where some people are scared of salt and undercarriage rust and things like that. Well, you got a little surface rust under this vehicle. Obviously it's had no paint, had no undercoat, doesn't have any rot, just surface. But always ask for pictures, because this vehicle, I could have bought it in New York or New Jersey or somewhere like that, and it could be a total rust bucket. That's not, so it's good. But it's got a built-in generator. It's got an air conditioning unit inside, so you can work inside in the AC. It's kind of like a mobile little workshop. We've had a couple people buy these and just put them on job sites for long-term use for like a mobile office. Have their air conditioned, got lights. You can tow the trailer. Pretty unique. And this one's like, I think 15 grand. And it's got an Onan Cummins generator built into it. So we're gonna get the under the hood pictures. That right there is a lowering down ladder rack, but a lot of people adapt it for material handling. They're kind of overlooked vehicles, and they all come from large power companies, telecommunication companies. There's your Onan generator right there. And they take good care of them, so when we get them, they're in great shape. This particular one's got 148,000 miles, so not too bad. But we'll get this customer what they need. We were going to take the Chevette on the cruise, but unfortunately, it did not make the cut. I think the rear end might have left the chat. So we're going to be pulling that thing down and checking it out. It's got a weird drive line. It's got a drive shaft that goes to a rear axle assembly. And I think something in there might have broke. Auction nightmare getting wrapped up and getting ready to ship out. A couple little last minute things, and a school bus in there getting serviced. Well, we got a pretty good organization going on. So through the weekend, we did a lot of different stuff. We moved the monster truck to a church that we provide a couple vehicles to every year for Father's Day. And it's kind of tiresome sometimes to do it the day before Father's Day, then have to go pick things up, usually on Father's Day. But when you get some texts from people like, oh, my kids love the monster truck, and the church and the different preachers and different people that are at this a huge church always show such appreciation, it's kind of hard to say no. So we do it. So a couple videos here of us moving the truck around. We got a couple others out here put on display, so it was looking good when the people drove by the other day. For the cruise in, I need to clean the tires up on that one there a little bit. I don't know what happened there. And then the Suburban. Had a lot of people ask what we have in a 3.0 type setup right now, and that's it. I don't know what you call that. That's like 6.0. But really low on square bodies currently. But getting back to organized, get the showroom back ready. The popular vehicle has been, of course, the Blazer, now that it's been gone over, and the tires and wheels, and that's been a really popular one. The blue and gray truck will be the next one ready. It's not on the website yet. Blazer, we got tires and wheels out. We haven't changed them over yet. The Sheriff Blazer, and then of course the big Mickey Thompson square body, which I also have boggers for. So a lot of these trucks, we got multiple different tire and wheel options. So you can switch it up however you want. And one of these sets of Mickeys we will let go of. I've got a set of 6 lug and a set of 8 lug. Original Baja Mickeys on 14 wides on 6 lug, 16 wides on the 8 lugs. And we'll get a check over our floor here. It is dry, and they say we can drive on it. So tomorrow we're going to be washing the vehicles up and putting them back inside. I haven't had a chance to walk the whole thing yet, but I don't think we got any problems with this floor. I think it turned out great. Sometimes they have some issues with the flooring lifting and other things happening, but with all the grinding and all the prep, it's all about the prep work. No different than if you're painting a house, painting a car. We're getting ready to paint the roof of this building. It's going to take a lot of prep work. Matter of fact, that's going to start happening in the next couple of days. That's going to be nice. Well, it looks real good. Don't see any issues. So AJ's putting together a little video about the cruise in. We'll probably get that posted tomorrow, but thanks to everybody that came out to that. That was a huge success. And we will be spreading that. I know I mentioned it a little bit there earlier, but we'll be kind of spreading the usage of that cruise in, or cruise, not really cruise in, and going to some different destinations. And now that we've got a little bit of a hang of it, we'll be able to kind of open it up to more people from outside the area. We would love for you guys to come. This one, we kind of kept it a little bit under wraps because we didn't know what to expect. So we kept it kind of local. Thankfully, it turned out amazing. So clip some little pieces and things in here, guys. Thanks so much. Again, hope everybody had a happy Father's Day. I had a very, very fun one. And again, moving the monster truck around, letting people see that, man, it just gets people going crazy. And unfortunately, we didn't get to take the 2 this year like we normally do, but we took the SEMA truck there. Calvin and Trista were able to help me get all that set up and orchestrated. And it went really well. So, little shop update. I'll clip that in tomorrow. We'll try to get this one edited online. We got a storm coming, and we got to get a few things put away and moved around. Mike's made it back in the office, so that was nice. It's been a little crazy with such short amount of staff today. Oh yeah, and the Excursion. 6-door Excursion. And I will show you a little bit and tell you a little bit about the story of the 6-door that's on the thumbnail. What a cool freaking truck that was too, or is. I guess that's going to be on the thumbnail today. If it's not, it's this. So we'll be going over this one tomorrow as well. A lot of stuff to show you guys.